Welcome back, everyone. I hope you had a wonderful, peaceful, safe, and enjoyable Eid. This week, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be working off Literacy Pro. We only have Wednesday and Thursday of our learning this week, so we will keep it relatively simple and we will set ourselves up for learning next week. So, our essential question and learning objective for our lessons this week will continue as the same. You should write these into your interactive notebook, and as you are working through the illustrated version of Macbeth on Literacy Pro, I would suggest that you make notes in your interactive notebook also in your notes/activity section. Your essential question is, what makes Macbeth a Shakespearean tragedy? And our learning objective for the week is to read an illustrated version of the play on Literacy Pro. So Literacy Pro, how do you log into it? So here are the details that you require to log onto Literacy Pro. Please follow them carefully in order to make sure that you are logging onto the correct website. Problems occur when you do not follow these steps. Make sure that when you are typing into Google, you type in Scholastic Learning Zone. Once that is completed, you click the first option, and then you will be asked to select your country. No problems should arise there. United Arab Emirates should be the one you select. Your org ID will be the same for everybody, TW3G, and then your username is going to be your ESIS number or your ESIS number. Your password will be the same for everybody. The password is welcome1. No capitals, no spaces. Once you have logged in, you will see a screen like this. Sometimes the icons will be mixed up. So your main focus will be to find the icon that says Literacy Pro Library. Once you have clicked onto that, it will bring you to a section that you will see different books, etc. You should click on the Assigned section and then search for this option. There are two different assigned texts. The one I need you to focus on is the first one there with the green scroll. This one here. You need to read this carefully, make notes as you go through it, and then for task 2 this week, you will be completing a quiz. It is 63 pages long. That's why we are going to be working on this for 2 days. This is what the text is going to look like. Most of it is going to be pictures. They will illustrate what is happening in the play. You will have the option to zoom in and out up here in the corner. And you will also have the ability to look at different quotations from the text. Down here will be like a summary of what is happening at that moment. Like I said, the text is 63 pages long. And it is an illustrated classic. So most of the time, as you know, illustration means pictures or drawings. Task 2 for you this week is going to be for you to complete a quiz on Literacy Pro once you have read the assigned book. It is very important that you read the text and that you actually complete the quiz once you have finished it. Please do not complete the quiz until you have read the text. It is very important for you to get a good understanding of the play Macbeth before we get into detail about it next week.